Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to highlight any past date in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're managing deadlines, tracking expiration dates, or simply need to visually identify which dates have already passed in your spreadsheet. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and documents. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to highlight any past date. This will open up your Google Sheet and you'll be able to see all your data displayed clearly on the screen. Now for this example, let's say you have some sample date data in your spreadsheet. The next step is to click on the header column to highlight it. By clicking the column header, you're selecting the entire column of dates that you want to apply the highlighting rule to. This ensures that all dates within that column will be checked against your condition. Once your column is selected, look at the top menu bar and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Conditional Formatting. This feature is what allows you to automatically format cells based on specific criteria, making it perfect for our task of highlighting past dates. On the right side of your screen, a conditional formatting panel will appear. You'll see a section labeled Format Cells, if with a drop-down menu underneath it. Click on that drop-down and scroll through the options until you find Date is Before. Select this option as it will check whether each date in your column occurred before a certain point in time. After selecting Date is Before, another drop-down will appear right below it. Make sure this drop-down is set to Today. This tells Google Sheets to compare each date in your column against today's date, which is exactly what we need to identify past dates. At this point, Google Sheets will automatically highlight all the past dates in your selected column. You'll notice that the dates that have already passed now have a colored background. Now, if you want to change the highlight color to something that better suits your spreadsheet's design, you can easily do that. In the Formatting Style section of the Conditional Formatting panel, click on the bucket icon. This will open a color picker where you can choose any color you prefer for highlighting your past dates. And that's it. You've successfully set up conditional formatting to automatically highlight any past date in your Google Sheets. This simple automation will save you time and make it much easier to spot outdated information at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.